Good morning, students. Today we are going to have a discussion about cyberbullying. We have talked before about bullying behaviors, and cyberbullying involves bullying behaviors using electronic technology and online platforms. Electronic technology can include cell phones, computers, and tablets. Cyberbullying can occur on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, through online gaming platforms, through text messages and emails, through online chats or messaging apps, and on other online platforms. What should you do if you are being cyberbullied? Most importantly, do not respond. Some cyberbullying occurs just to provoke a response of students, and responding negatively can impact your reputation for a very long time. Secondly, tell a parent or another trusted adult what is going on so that we can all work together to get the problem resolved. Thirdly, tell your teacher. We want you to feel safe and comfortable at school and need to know when something is happening that is making you feel uncomfortable or not safe at school. We are prepared to work with you to get the issue resolved. Do not give up until the problem has been resolved. Cyberbullying is not okay and needs to be stopped. What can you do if someone you know is being cyberbullied? Tell your teacher and your parent or another trusted adult. Be kind to the person who is being bullied and do not encourage the behavior in any way. Do not give up until the problem is resolved. I'm aware that it takes a great deal of courage to stand up for someone who is being bullied. Yet remember that if you were in that person's shoes, you would want someone to stand up and support you. Be careful what you share, and this is included in messages and images. Once shared electronically, you have no control over who will eventually see it, and trying to delete it usually does not work. Avoid communicating online with persons that you do not know. If you are unsure about who you are in communication with, then stop communicating and get support from an adult. If you think communications could be heading toward a bullying situation, let a trusted adult know what is going on so that the issue can be resolved before becoming a major incident. Think before you post. Unless you are okay with your parent or your teacher seeing what you post, then don't post it. Think on this. You never look good trying to make someone else look bad. And strong people stand up for themselves, but the strongest people stand up for others. Thank you and have a great day.